Watch towards the end of the video. I will be giving away the codes for this and this, along with the VIP rewards, whatever you call it. So I'm going to start off with Psycho. Nice little dent, but don't worry, the birds is even worse condition. The birds. There we go, all bent out of shape there. They shipped them together, both of them, and I'm not going to order two movies at the same time anymore when it comes to Steelbooks. Do separate orders. I usually have better luck with separate orders. But this is a beautiful Steelbook. And here are the codes. We got Psycho. Please, if you have redeemed them, drop a comment saying that you redeemed whatever movie. And the rewards. You do a simple screenshot. And we have the birds. All right. And I'm a bit shaky because I just did a workout. So there you go. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.